Hello everyone, Curry Gaming back again with another video, and to be honest, it's been such a long time since I've made a monster truck unboxing video, and I'm finally back with that. So yeah, I went to two places today and found two different trucks from the 2020 Hot Wheels Monster Truck series. I went to Walmart first, and I found the Cyborg Wrex from the Tinted Wheels series. So I basically have all five now, because Invader was the first one, and the fifth one in the category, but I mean, like, the Invader's a repeat of last year, but the other four were brand new, like, such as this one, Bad Catitude, One Bad Ghoul, and El Super Fasto. So yeah, there's that, and then I went to Target, and then I found the Bigfoot, the real life version from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live tour. The previous Bigfoot from the 2019 release was supposed to be based off of the Bigfoot from the 1980s, I think. And then there is a Bigfoot 8 release, but I do not have that yet because it's actually kind of rare, and I'll probably never have it in the collection anyway, so yeah, that's disappointing, but oh well, at least I got this. So since I found the Wrex first, I think we will start with the Wrex. Here is the back, by the way, real quick. So you got Wrex, Motosaurus, which is a repeat of last year, 5 Alarm Red from the Hot Wheels Flames category, that's a repeat. Hot Wheels Police, that's a repeat. Donkey Kong, I do have that. I just didn't put it in the sign-up series. I'll probably put it in the next sign-up series. I did get that red Hotweiler as well, because I didn't have that yet, and when it first came out, it was in the doubles, and then they re-released it in the singles, which I thought was a better idea, because, like, I don't want to have to get Hound Hauler a second time just to get the Hotweiler. Sriracha, which is another repeat from last year, already got that. But the truck I do need from this case is that Shark Creek from the Hot Wheels Flames category, because it's a brand new paint job and don't have it yet, so hopefully I'll find that at some point. But without further ado, let's unbox the Wrex. Here is the crushable car, not the greatest accessory. And here is the Wrex. The blue tires and the charcoal gray rims are really cool. That roll cage is really nice. This is a hard plastic tail, so it does it come off? No, it's completely attached on there because this is a Zamac edition, a special Zamac Chrome edition. But it's got like some scales on the top, and it's got like this electric fire coming out of the nose, and then stripes. You got some circuit boards on the sides and some stuff, and then you got the teeth, of course. So yeah, basically this is a robotic dinosaur theme going on here, which is pretty cool. I do think that's... I will honestly say I think this is my favorite Wrex paint job that they've done so far. I am not counting Zombie Wrex because, I mean, even though it's using the Wrex casting, it's basically a totally different truck because instead of Wrex, it's called Zombie Wrex. So like I don't have it in my Wrex series. When I sorted my collection, I kept it separate because basically it's a totally different truck, even though it's using the Wrex tooling. So yeah, so I'm not counting Zombie Wrex as a Wrex. I'm just counting all the trucks that go under the name Wrex. But like I said, by far this is my favorite paint job for Wrex because, I mean, it's a robot, and I am a huge fan of robots. So yeah, I'm honestly, I'll let you in on a little secret, guys. Like, I actually am a sci-fi geek, so I like Star Wars, and I was introduced to Star Trek by my good friend. So yeah, and I also like sci-fi from Marvel and stuff like that. So yeah, so that is the Wrex, and let's move on to the Bigfoot. Here is the crush car. Again, not the best accessories that they've done, but whatever. Here is the brand new Bigfoot. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It's using the regular extended cab pickup truck body that is used on a lot of different trucks. It's got the white roll cage and white rims, a realistic Ford Super Duty grille, like the real truck. So this truck is definitely accurate to the real truck. It's got all the accurate sponsors and the Bigfoot name, and the this is actually the accurate color as well. So definitely very cool to have. So these two trucks are probably going to debut in Sign Up Series 20. So yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the 2020 Bigfoot and the Cyborg Wrex from the Tinted Wheel series. So yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!